Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about our job opportunity from Geo. So before moving further with all the details, if you are new to the channel then we are Jobkar and here you will get videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation. So consider subscribing also with the bell icon so you never miss any update. And with that note, let's quickly move further with today's video details. So आज का वीडियो है वो लिंक्डइन पर पोस्ट हुआ है. आज की जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी लिंक्डइन पर पोस्ट हुई है एंड द जॉब इज अबाउट जियो. So Geo is hiring for Python freshers. Years of experience required 0 to 1 year. So maximum 1 year का experience अगर आपके पास है तो आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं 0 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस है तब भी आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हियर. So you will write reusable, testable and efficient Python scripts, write server-side logics and debug the code, implement APIs and integrate with third-party software components, design and develop ETL jobs using Python and Spark, that is PySpark, develop PySpark script to bring load data from or to Hive the and Oracle databases, write SQL queries in script and optimize queries to handle larger data sets in to increase performance and have data structure concept understanding. Translate business requirement into software component and understand its impacts. Writing efficient SRS software requirement specification on software product, develop and deploy Python script on at least one Python framework, Django or Flask. Then perform end-to-end testing of product, resolve from front-end issues and report back-end issues to the team, and write functional requirement document from business requirement, create complete user guide on product. Okay, so these are the responsibilities. Education requires BE, Btech or MCA. So all the BE, Btech or MCA people, this is a great opportunity for you all. Now, what are the organizations that the candidate should have worked for? So, industrial, non-industrial coding experience in Python or Java or any other object-oriented programming language, preferably Python, and knowledge on software development lifecycle and agile methodology, and at least one academic project in as Python, PySpark, Java developer if fresher. So ये सारी रिक्वायरमेंट है इनकी. ऑल द फ्रेशर्स कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई. वर्क एक्सपीरियंस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड हेयर, बट आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो पाइथन, जावा या पाई स्पार्क इन सब में से होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ knowledge and skills required in Python, PySpark, data structure, data-driven APIs, and analytical debugging and good communication skills and knowledge of SDLC. So these are the requirements, and if you are interested for this opportunity, then you can share your updated resume on this email ID, that is raj.jadav@irl.com. Okay, and so yeah, this is all about this. You just need to send your updated resume to this email ID with the specific subject line and all that. So this is there is no batch criteria also, so anybody who is who have done BTech, BE, BTech or MCA can apply. So do make the most of it. Apart from that, there is no details given, so we have discussed all the details. If you are interested, then do send your CV on this email ID. And yeah, this is all about today's job opportunity, and I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.